Hi everyone, welcome back to the TristArtist channel, or if you are new here, welcome. I invested in the iPad Pro 11-inch and it is the second generation one, so from 2020, and it has 128 GB. So that is basically all I can say about it, because I've never had an iPad or a tablet of any sort. So it is all very new to me, but I'm so excited because I really want to learn how to draw digitally. Just to be clear, this won't be a review video, it is just an unboxing also from the products that I bought to go with the iPad. I also bought the pencil, of course, because I really want to draw on my iPad, and it is the second generation one. I also want to protect my iPad. It is an investment, at least for me. So I bought a case, a rose gold one, to go with it. And I also got to try a Paperlike screen protector. And I'm really excited about this product because this will hopefully give that feeling of drawing on paper while you are drawing digitally. I'm really excited to unpack everything, so let's do it. I'm going to start off with this iPad case, so it is right and ready for me to use. So this is what the case looks like, and first of all, it is very soft. And this is what the inside looks like. I think this is quite a weird color, to be honest, to combine with the very peachy color. But I do really like the front. I love that it is metallic, very neutral and very soft. I do also like the peach color in here. I just think it's weirdly combined with the kind of darker color of the inside, as you can see. Now on to what it is all about, you guys. I am so excited. Ta-da! With this piece of plastic you can just flip it up. Then underneath, of course, there are the cords. This part is so satisfying. I've got to admit that everything, even for this charger, it looks so nice and luxurious. Next we are going to unbox the Paperlike screen protector, and first of all, you guys, I love the design. I love that it is made out of cardboard that you can recycle. That is very important to me. Something I wanted to mention is that it is very important that your room is mostly dust free, and keep the screen protector face down so there won't get any dust on it, and watch the tutorial on how to place the screen protector just to make sure that everything will go smoothly.
To get going. So first of all, we make sure the iPad is turned off.
Make sure to dust and clean the area where you want to apply the screen protector to your iPad. In the Paperlike package you will find 2 screen protectors, a little envelope with guide stickers, a wet cleansing wipe, and a dry cloth. Place the screen protector with the pink sticker up and the blue sticker down. Make sure that the iPad is upside down with the camera facing towards your belly. Take the 3 pink guide stickers and place them at the top, in the middle, and at the bottom of the screen protector. Make sure to center the screen protector on the iPad and push the stickers down so they will stick to the table. Take the white guide sticker or the gray one and stick it on the other side in the middle of the screen protector. With this you can move the screen protector to the left like you are opening a door. Clean the screen with the wet wipe and dry it afterwards with the black one. Put the screen protector up and peel off the back layer in an upward motion. Then you can place the protector on the screen and you will see that it will start to adhere to it. With a card you can push out the air bubbles. Then carefully take off the top layer at the right bottom corner where the pink sticker is. Be careful not to pull off the real screen protector. And that's it. Okay, so now that I have installed the Paperlike screen protector, that was kind of nerve-wracking, to be honest, because I wanted to do it right in one go. So, okay, let's turn it on. Now we are going to open up the Apple Pencil. It's really easy like this. And won't you look at that? It has my name inscripted on it as well, my business name, TristArtist. So cool. When you want to charge the pencil, you just click it on here on the side. It is magnetic, so it won't fall off, and with this case you can easily wrap it around both the iPad and the pencil, like so, and everything is nice and protected. I first of all want to add Procreate, because that is really what I bought this thing for. So let's look it up. Procreate. Okay, I'm downloading it. You have to connect it to your bank account and put some money on the iPad, I believe, and then you can buy whatever app you want to buy. So what I can say about the Paperlike screen protector is that it was quite easy to apply. Of course you can see that there is something lying on top of your screen, but I have to say this really feels like paper. So that is really nice. I'm so grateful for Paperlike for gifting me this. I also love that it came with 2 Paperlike screen protectors, so if you mess it up the first time, you can always apply this second one. So that is really great. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am really happy with my iPad. Up till now, I still need to figure things out and such, but I can't wait to create stickers for all of you guys. And yeah, I hope that you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.